Hello friends, welcome to Inhouse ERP. Today I am going to show you how to allot number to newly created project in Inhouse iFMS ERP system. Previous video I show you how to create a new project in this system. So this is the next step. So let's come how to allot a number. First click on admin panel, that is administrator panel. Administrator manages all the data of the project. Now click on project section. After click on please allot number. Search here with the help of registered email ID with this project. In our case we enter InhouseERP@gmail.com. Yes. Now click here and select the naming convention GP, CP, RAM, WS. So in this case we select GP, that is for project, and automatic number generated. This is your account details, optional. Registration with this project. Now click on submit. So this number will allocated to this project. After this we go to next panel, that is registered project. Search with the help of registered email ID. Now you see 227 allocated to this project. In next video I will show you how to allot amount, total sanctioned amount to different heads provided by the agency. So thanks for watching this video. Please do subscribe, like. Thank you.